How to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone.
Did you know you can have two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone without buying another device? And the best part is, you can set it up in just a few steps using a feature that may already be hidden in your phone. First, open Settings on your phone. Now scroll down and look for Advanced Features. Tap on Advanced Features and then find Dual Messenger. This is the feature that allows you to install a second copy of supported messaging apps on your phone. Tap on Dual Messenger. Here, you'll see a list of apps that support this feature, such as WhatsApp or Facebook. Now, simply turn the toggle on for your favorite app. In this case, I'm going to enable it for WhatsApp. A confirmation message will appear asking you to install the second version of WhatsApp. Tap Install and wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, go back to your phone's app menu. And as you can see, a second WhatsApp icon has now been added to my phone. Open this new WhatsApp app and you can now enter a different phone number and create or log in to your second WhatsApp account. Two WhatsApp accounts running on the same phone. So if you've been using two phones just to manage two WhatsApp accounts, you might not need that second phone anymore. If this trick was useful, subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more simple Android tips and hidden features like this.